So Allah mentions throughout the Quran, Wallahu yuhibbul muhsineen. Almost an exact proportion, in fact, to the mentions of Allah's love to taqwa or Allah's love to ihsan, Allah's love to excellence. Ihsan is described in the Quran and in the Sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him, both in how we interact with Allah and how we interact with people. In regards to how we interact with Allah, we go beyond the obligatory and we do that which is voluntary. We don't look at the people around us, so whether other people are looking at us or not, we are always focused on only the sight of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala upon us. And that shows itself, it demonstrates itself in the way that we rise above and the way that we try to beautify our deeds. The way that it manifests itself in our relationship with people. The first way that Allah actually breaks down ihsan is He talks about these different situations that you'll actually find yourself in life. الَّذِينَ يُنْفِقُونَ فِي السَّرَّاءِ وَالضَّرَّاءِ. Those who spend both in times of ease and in times of hardship. Now, spending in times of ease, you have a required amount that you're supposed to give in charity, and you have that which you're encouraged to give. So when that person is in ease, they give beyond their zakat, they give beyond that which is obligatory. They open their hands and their hearts in sadaqah and charity, and they give and they give and give. And when they're in hardship, just like they don't want Allah to stop providing for them and giving to them, even when they are distant or when they're doing things that should disqualify them from that sustenance, they too continue to give even when no one expects it of them, even when they're in hardship, because they understand that Allah is the provider and Allah is the one worth spending for. And no person goes into poverty for giving for Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So they move themselves to a different standard. They spend in ease and they spend in hardship.